Good morning everyone, I am Vishakha. Welcome to 3.0 TV. Crypto TV has rebranded itself as 3.0 TV to provide an all-around update to viewers and help broaden the understanding of the evolving digital segments including cryptocurrencies, blockchain projects, Metaverse, non-fungible tokens, cybersecurity and several other related issues. So keep watching 3.0 TV for all things related to Web3, including to keep abreast of all the ongoing happenings and transformation in the digital space. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies drop on fear over continued Fed rate hikes, yield shifts. Acala recoups $2.97 billion worth aUSD stablecoin minted during exploit. EU lawmakers aim to cap banks' crypto holdings. Gold board ape sells for $1.5 million amid ongoing NFT market slump. Online broker eToro to acquire US Fintech trading firm Gatsby. Venture capital crypto firm Shima Capital raises $200 million fund. Crypto lender Nexo sues former director over $7.9 million trading loss. Juventus renews partnership with crypto exchange Bitget. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies eased in early morning trades Thursday amid worries that the Federal Reserve's continued focus on inflation and rate hikes may cause further shifts in yields, adding to the uncertainty among digital assets investors, projects, and repercussions on new funding. US stocks ended lower with major stock indexes ending in the red. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite and S&P 500 were down 0.5%, 1.3% and 0.7% respectively. The minutes of the Federal Reserve policy meeting held last month showed that they needed to keep raising rates but were aware about the risk of pushing the economy on the brink of a recession. Month over month, US retail sales were flat for July, while the consensus of analyst estimates was for a 0.1% gain. The unexpectedly sluggish spending in July occurred despite a better-than-expected inflation report on August 10. However, Fed governors anticipate further interest rate increases in the upcoming months to rein in inflation in the range of 2%, but the pace of rate hikes will likely slow once they see a significant impact of the policy making. As the stance of monetary policy tightened further, it likely would become appropriate at some point to slow the pace of policy rate increases while assessing the effects of cumulative policy adjustments on economic activity and inflation, the minutes said. Cryptocurrencies have been under pressure since the Federal Reserve initiated its program of unwinding its easy money policy and began realigning interest rates to tame inflation. Bitcoin recently traded around $23,400, down over 2% in the past 24 hours after declining for 4 straight days. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, was around $1,840, down over 2.5% in a similar time span. All other major altcoins too traded lower. Acala, a Polkadot parachain project, said it had recovered nearly $2.97 billion from 16 addresses that minted $3 billion Acala USD in a security incident last Sunday. A code error in one of the Acala smart contracts that managed the IBTC, a USD liquidity pool, allowed liquidity providers to mint its native stablecoin and illegally transfer it into their possession. The team recovered $1.29 billion aUSD on August 15 after putting the network into maintenance mode and burned the tokens. The team recovered another $1.682 billion aUSD in its most recent update and is expected to be burned before the team's network is restored. A proposed modified financial services bill tabled Wednesday shows that the European Union banks with exposure to cryptocurrencies will likely face limits on such holdings and hefty capital requirements. The plans, tabled by Green Party lawmaker Nexo, seeks to anticipate capital norms currently under consultation by international standard setters, the Basel Committee on Banking Supervision. The plan under consideration effectively restricts banks' ability to lend using the virtual assets that currently own, as cryptos are considered unduly volatile and speculative. A Bored Ape Yacht Club fan has spent $1.5 million on a Bored Ape NFT. Viz.ether, who describes himself as an investor in his Twitter bio, has added Bored Ape #5383 to his already extensive collection of Yuga Labs merchandise held in 2 wallets. Data showed that the seller of the golden-colored Bored Ape made a tidy profit of approximately 682 Ether after purchasing the ape on August 1 last year for $242,000. The purchase was despite ongoing market conditions amid a drop in trading volume for NFTs in the recent months. eToro, an online brokerage service, announced plans to buy options trading platform Gatsby as part of its expansion strategy to attract younger, US-based investors. The transaction is valued at $50 million in cash and common stock. Gatsby had previously raised $10 million during a Series A funding round in March 2021. Gatsby, founded in 2018 by Jeff Myers and Ryan Bilangasale to offer the youth commission-free options and stock trading, is seeking to diversify its efforts in the United States. Shima Capital has raised $200 million for its first venture capital fund to support early-stage Web3 startups. Shima Capital Fund will focus on pre-seed and seed stage investments. More than half of the Shima team is devoted to post-investment operational support services such as engineer recruiting, community marketing, and token design. Investors in the new fund included newly rebranded VC firm Dragonfly, hedge fund billionaire Bill Ackman, blockchain game maker and investment firm Animoca, crypto wallet OKX, Mirana Ventures, Republic Capital, digital currency group and entrepreneur, and former US presidential candidate Andrew Yang, among others. Cryptocurrency lender Nexo is suing its former director Georgy Shulev on claims that he failed to keep his side of a settlement agreement. Nexo requested that the UK High Court order Georgy Shulev to transfer 9 crypto assets, including Bitcoin and Ether, to the company. That was meant to be a condition of a settlement agreement, as part of which Shulev would receive $1 million. The lender claims that it has been locked out of trading platform BitMEX during a time when the value in cryptocurrencies declined, resulting in losses of $7.9 million. For his part, he claims that Nexo breached an agreement to transfer the first of 5 installment payments to him, and as a result, he can't inform HDR that the dispute has been resolved. Italian football team Juventus and crypto exchange Bitget renewed their partnership. Bitget's logo will appear on the left sleeve of Juventus players' and fans' shirts. The 2 companies announced the good news to their fans via their respective social media channels. The partnership between Juventus and Bitget will position the trading platform as the preferred platform for Juventus fans, while also popularizing the football team in the cryptocurrency space. That's all in the news today. This is me, Vishakha, signing off. And for more such updates, keep watching 3.0 TV.